Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will learn about tuples in Python. In previous video, we learned about lists in Python. So in this video, we will begin with what are tuples, explaining what they are and how they differ from list. Tuples are immutable data structures, meaning they cannot be modified once created, unlike their mutable counterpart lists. Throughout the video, I will provide clear explanation and practical example to illustrate the power of tuples. We will learn how to create tuples, access their elements and their efficiency. Additionally, we will explore the differences between tuples and lists, comparing their performance, memory usage and use cases. By the end of the video, we will get a solid understanding of when to choose tuple over list and vice versa. Understanding tuple is a crucial for writing clean, efficient and error-free code. So let's start our today's video. So tuples. Tuples are used to store multiple items in single variable. Tuples are sequence that are homogeneous and heterogeneous, as explained in previous video in list. So the syntax of tuples is just name of variable is equal to parenthesis and the variables. Tuples are immutable, which means that cannot perform addition, update or delete functions. Items in the tuples can be accessed by positive, negative, uh, by indexing or slicing. Duplicate values are allowed, same as list. So we have created our first tuple. AI for all is our tuple's name and parenthesis and three integers. We have just printed our. So this is our tuple 12, 23 and 30. To check what type our variable is, just print type of and the name of tuple. So our class is tuple. So we have created another tuple. Tuples are homogeneous as well as heterogeneous. Homogeneous means of same data type. Here we have created uh, same with heterogeneous, but it has different data types. We can see ABC is a string, 45 is a int, minus 5.63 is float, true is boolean. So we can see uh, this tuple contains different data types. We can indexing with the help of positive and negative number. So to fetch the data from the tuple, we can use indexing method. So AI for all uh, to first uh, sorry AI for all of first index is ABC. AI we can see these are different data types in which we have to fetch the uh, first index and we have to check the type of the first index. So ABC's type is string as mentioned earlier. 45 uh, type of first index is int, that is 45. uh, Type of second index is float, is minus 5.67. uh, Type of third index is boolean. So this is what we are looking for. I think, yeah, I got it. This was the previously defined, so the error was coming. Same as slicing, in which we are able to fetch the data with the help of slicing. As mentioned earlier, tuples are immutable, in which we are not able to update in tuple as we did in the list. So to check whether we are able to update, just index the just do AI for all. First index is equal to xyz. We have mentioned it. By running, we can see tuple object does not support item assignment. Same with the delete. Tuple item doesn't support item deletion. Deletion. Addition is not possible. So we see that addition is not possible. The next topic is functions in tuple. So these are the directories which are present in tuples. We can see from the last video that the directories present in the list are greater than the list the directories present in the tuple. So let's turn to the count count directory counts the number of occurrence, same as previously video. AI for all dot count of 10. We can see 10 comes 1, 2 and 3 times. So we can see the count variable counts the number of occurrence. So 10 comes 3 times. It is printed. Index returns the index value of tuple. So we have to just add our uh, data. So index value for 12.23 is 4. To check the length of the tuple, we have to just use length of and name of the tuple. So name of the tuple is AI for all, and 12 is the length of our tuple. Count is what we described previously. So let's turn to questions. Display all int numbers in a tuple. We have to print the numbers which are present in a tuple. So it's kind of simple. We have to just check whether the type should be equals to int, and we have to just use for loop for I in t2. If type of I is equal to int, then print I, otherwise break. So these are the integer our values. If you want to check the float value, just type float over here. We can see these are the float values. So next question is write a program to find all the positive numbers. Same as previously. For I in num, if I is greater than 0, it is positive. Then print I. If we want to print negative values, then if I is less than or equals to 0, then it will give us negative values. So these are our positive values present in the tuple. Our third question is write a program to display string items in a tuple. As previously defined, so we have to just check if type of I is equal to str. Str means string data type. So if it is string data type, print I. Then these are our strings present in the tuple. The next and most important topics which are mostly asked in the interviews, that is list down the differences between lists and tuples. Most crucial thing. So we will just look at this. Lists are mutable, in which we are able to add, update, delete, and tuples are immutable, in which we are not able to add, update, or delete. The syntax for lists are square bracket and the variables. The syntax for tuples are parentheses and variables. Functions, we can see clear, pop, insert, append, count, extend, index, remove, reverse, sort. These are the some functions present in the list, and and in tuple we can see count and index are only available. Lists are widely used. Uh, while in tuple, when the data need to be protected, it is used. So it is quite used when we require more privacy. Uh, Only that time the tuples are used. Lists are slower and time consuming, while tuples are faster than the list. The next point is list consumes more memory, while tuples consume less memory. Last and most important point is list has more built-in function, while tuple has less built-in function. So we have covered all the topics mentioned before. So thank you for watching till the end. Thank you.